Mark 4. The farmer parable. Again, Jesus come begin teach people for the water side. Since people were gather round am many, he enter boat, they teach the people as dem sit down for ground near the water. He come teach them many things for parable, say, make una listen. One farmer go plant seed for him farm. As he dey plant, some seed fall for road and birds come chop them. Others fall for where stones and sand dey. They quick grow come out because good soil no dey there. When sun come out, e burn the plant because they no get deep root. They can't die. Others fall for where shuku dey, and when they grow come out, the shuku shook them die. But others fall for better ground. They grow well, come bear other seeds. Some bear reach 30, some 60, and some 100. Jesus come say, anybody wey get ear, make he hear wetin I dey talk. Why Jesus dey teach with parable? When Jesus dey alone, people wey dey with am and him 12 disciples come ask am about the parable. He can't tell them, God don show una the kingdom secret. But those wey dey outside God kingdom, na parable e be for them, so that they go dey look, but they no go see. They go dey hear, but they no go understand. And they no go fit turn from their sin come meet God, make he forgive them. Jesus come ask them, una no understand this parable, then how una go take understand any other parable? Na God word the farmer dey plant. Some people be like the seed wey fall for road. Anytime they hear God word, Satan go come thief the word from them quick. Some be like the seeds wey fall for where stones and sand dey. As they hear God word, they go receive am with happiness. And because they no get root and patient, when trouble or wahala come because of the word, they go forget God word. Others be like the seeds wey fall for where shuku full. They hear the word, but trouble for life, big eye for money, and the way that they run follow other things go come block the word, and they no go bear anything for their life. But the ones wey fall for better ground, na those wey hear the word, come receive am, and bear many fruits. Some bear reach 30, some 60, and some 100. The lamp parable. Jesus still asked them, people dey hide lamp for under basket, not be on top the place where they keep lamp they supposed to put am. E no get wetin people hide wey God no go show, and e no get wetin dey secret now wey e no go come out for open. If anybody get ear, make e hear wetin I dey talk. Jesus come tell dem, make una dey careful for wetin una dey hear, because na wetin you use take measure give other people, na im God go take measure for you too, and e go add join am. Because anybody wey get, God go give am more, but anybody wey no get, even the small one wey e get, God go take am from am. Seed wey dey grow. Jesus come say, God kingdom be like person wey scatter seed for ground. The person dey sleep and wake up day and night. The seed grow come out, even though the man no know how e take happen. As plant dey grow from ground, the body go first come out, then the head go bear fruit, and seed go come out from inside. When e ripe, the farmer go cut am, because the time to pluck wetin e plant don reach. The mustard seed parable. Jesus come ask dem, wetin we go take compare God kingdom? Which parable we go fit use take show as e be? E be like mustard seed, wey be the seed wey small pass for the world, wey person plant for ground. After they don plant am, e come grow, come big pass all the other plants, and the branches go big, and birds go land, come build their nest for there. Jesus teach with parable. Now with many parable like this one, Jesus take preach God word to them, so that them go fit understand. E no get wetin e tell them wey e no use parable. But when only he and the disciples dey, e dey explain everything give them. Jesus stop. Heavy wave. When evening reach that day, Jesus come tell him disciples, make we cross go the other side for the river. So after them leave the people, they enter the boat where Jesus sit down, and other boat still dey there with them. Then strong breeze come dey blow, and water dey enter the boat. So the boat come dey wan sink. But Jesus put him head for pillow, dey sleep inside the boat. Then they come call am, dey say, "Teacher, you no even care say we wan die?" So Jesus get up, come command the breeze. Then he tell the river, make you quiet. The breeze stop, and everywhere come quiet at once. Then Jesus tell them, why una dey fear? Una still not get faith? Fear catch them well. And they come dey ask each other,
who be this man say? Even breeze and river they obey am.
All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.